Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can see ignored messages on Messenger. It's super easy. If you have previously ignored some of the messages that you wanna never know or like never see before, like you want to ignore them and now you want to see them, so you have to do is go to main menu at the bottom and then click on archive. If you have archive that messages, you have to simply go to archive and then check it out that messages that you have previously ignored or like get them in ignored. So that's it, that's how you can check it out or like see ignored messages on Messenger. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video, have a nice day, bye bye.